going to unbox Google Pixel 6a, that is with me, that I ordered from Flipkart on Big Billion Day. So are you excited for it? So let's get open it. And you would like to know about the price, that I will definitely share with you. And now, actually the delivery opened already opened the box, you know. So as it was already mentioned there that they will open the box and they will show it to us. So they already opened it, but I didn't open the phone, so I am showing you. So it's looking good really, and now I am opening it. It's completely sealed. There are lots of sealings. You can see here. There is another sealing. So I ordered the chalk color, and this is the phone. Let's remove it. Wow, it's so sleek, it's so slim, and it looks very good. It's completely white. You can see in light. See the color. See the color. Completely white with black contrast. It's good. It's really good. And the front is like this way. There is no notch actually, which I really don't like. That Google that actually comes with Google. And what are the things that are available with this phone? That is in the box I am showing you. So I got an adapter. This is one another adapter. But the factor is this time they are not providing the charging adapter. And this is the key for opening the SIM tool. SIM. And these are the documents that are provided by Flipkart with the phone. Or manuals you can say. You can go through it also. And I hope you like the product. I will definitely share you about the phone in my next video, and I will also give you the review of the phone. I hope you like my video, and please thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video.